Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar, first add your Google account on each Apple device. On iPhone, go to Settings, Calendar, Accounts, Add Account and choose Google, then sign in and enable calendars. On Mac, open System Settings, Internet Accounts, add Google, sign in and check calendars to allow two-way sync. If Google prompts for two-factor authentication, create an app password and enter it when requested. This ensures events created on either platform appear on both devices instantly when connected to the internet. After adding the account, open Apple Calendar and choose which Google calendars to display by checking boxes next to each calendar name. Unchecked calendars remain off-device. On Mac OS, go to Calendar, Preferences, Accounts to set refresh to every 15 minutes or manual depending on battery and data concerns. iOS usually updates automatically, but if an event is missing, toggle the calendar off and on. In Settings, Calendar Accounts, Google to force a resync. For large calendars, consider limiting sync to recent events or specific calendars. If sync fails, first verify internet access, then sign out and back into your Google account on the Apple device to reset connections. For read-only public calendars, use Calendar File New Calendar Subscription on Mac and paste the calendar URL or use Add Account Other Add Subscribed Calendar. Check Google storage limits, resolve duplicate events by disabling iCloud calendar conflicts, and confirm two-factor authentication or app passwords are configured. Finally, restart the calendar app or device and allow up to a few minutes for large calendar changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.